Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this lovely Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Excel CVT 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle has currently done 32,093 miles and it's finished in the colour Galaxy Black. It's an excellent fuel efficient SUV. It does sit nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This RAV4 also features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can lock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. The convenience continues to the rear as you have a powered tailgate, which you can open and close with just the push of a button. It provides you with access to the 580 litre boot. You can increase this space to 1,690 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous grey leather interior. It's two-tone and features ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you have your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your steering wheel, here to the left you have controls for the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have your adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for those motorway journeys. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to your fuel efficiency. There's also a driver assist display, your audio, driving data such as your trip computer and hybrid data. There's also vehicle settings including your lane departure warning system, pre-collision warning system and blind spot monitoring to keep you safe and secure when you're on the go. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. The system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You've got your Bluetooth telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system also comes with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You do have apps with in-car and your smart device link. In your information, you have access to the energy monitor which shows the hybrid system. There's also trip information as well as your trip history. You do have your setup. Here you have access to system and vehicle settings. The system also comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Toyota Online to keep you well connected. You do have a reverse camera to make parking much easier. Below from the display you have your dual zone automatic climate control. It comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. Below here you have your USB and 12-volt socket. In the center console you have your automatic gear selector and electronic handbrake.
RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.